Alright, this is the glass heart tutorial. You're gonna need a 11-inch clear. I'm using a 5-inch heart. I believe it's 5-inch heart. This is probably some protect. Has a really long uh, tail. Then a white 260. With the white 260, you're gonna make a wand. So about 3/4, nice and soft for the 7-finger tail. Tie that off. I'm making this part of the wand that's gonna hold it. And so we're gonna do 5 3-finger flower petals. So 3 fingers, twist it, put it through, and then do it again. That'll lock it in. And then 4 more of those. Just knocking everything everywhere. Okay. And you're left with like a jumbled mess. So kind of straighten that up by putting everything the same way. But then you'll find it's easier to spread them apart and then put them in. Spread it, put it in, spread them apart, and put it in. Start fixing it. Kind of squeeze as you go. And it'll start taking a little bit better of a shape for you for your wand. Okay. So set that aside. You don't need it. I use like the end of a chopstick as a chopper. Okay. As a chopper, as a stuffer. So put your heart on first. Okay. And I like to put it in the middle. Just fold those little edges in so it fits a little easier. And then right into the heart. You're gonna want to stick it kind of up there because, like I said, it has a long tail. So try to get it up there as far as you can, and then hold it. See, hold it, and take it out. Then using a hand pump, you're just trying to inflate the clear. So put your pump in between the heart and the clear, and then seal it off. Okay, so all you're trying to inflate is the clear balloon. So then hold it and inflate just the clear. Okay, about that much. You can see it's still in there, kind of wobbly, right? So now it's a little tricky, but get your heart nozzle down there. You can't really see it, but now you gotta seal it, but get it ready to inflate your heart now. Okay, so now we're pumping our heart up. We killed it. We'll edit that up. Long stems are hard. Don't really know how to approach that. I'm gonna try cutting it. Let's see. I'm cutting a lot of that stem off. Like a lot. Let's see if that works. Like a lot. Find out. I think it's gonna be impossible to inflate. I can't really made it hard on myself. Find out. Not a lot to work with in there. That's for sure. Oh, this is. I don't recommend drying it this way. Alright, let's try it again. That was difficult. Yeah, it just has such a long nozzle. Or, yeah, tail, whatever you call it. You know what I'm talking about. It's long. Really long. What a struggle bus. Geez. Really failing right now. Let's try this. I wasn't really use white, but I guess we are. So anyways, put the light balloon in there. Get it where it goes. There it is. Inflate our clear. Only our clear. Now we'll do our white. Such a long tail, huh? So now I'm pulling that down as I let some of the air out. Okay. To shape that heart. See how I held it where I wanted it? Twist it and then tie it. Put the heart inside. Then tie that into your one. Last heart. Good job, guys.